Welcome to Gas Connect Zambia, safety guide on handling, storing, transporting, and using gas cooking cylinders. Your safety is our priority. Let's ensure you have the knowledge to use gas safely and effectively. Handling gas cylinders. When handling gas cylinders, always ensure you're wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. Always lift cylinders carefully. Use both hands and keep them upright. Avoid rolling or dragging them, as this can cause damage. Check for leaks. By applying soapy water to the connections, bubbles indicate a leak. Storing gas cylinders. Store gas cylinders in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Keep them upright and secured to prevent tipping. Ensure the storage area is free from flammable materials. Label the storage area clearly to indicate the presence of the gas cylinders. Transporting gas cylinders. When transporting gas cylinders, always secure them in an upright position. Use a suitable vehicle that can accommodate the size and weight of the cylinder. Ensure that the vehicle is well ventilated and avoid transporting cylinder in the passenger compartment. Never leave the cylinder in a hot vehicle for extended periods. Using gas cooking cylinders. Before using a gas cooking cylinder, ensure the area is well ventilated. Check for connections. For leaks before lighting the appliance. When igniting the burner, always follow the manufacturer instructions. Never leave a lit burner unattended and always turn off the gas supply when finished cooking. By following these safety guidelines, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable cooking experience with gas cylinders. Remember, safety comes first. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for listening and stay safe with Gas Connect Zambia.